Welcome back to another financial astrology update on AMC and on the market. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon and Neptune, and today we're going to be going over AMC's eclipse season, what's going to happen coming Monday's eclipse in Scorpio, what's going to happen in the market. You guys know I've been calling out this eclipse season. Well, now we're here. We're finally here at the Scorpio eclipse, full moon, where the moon is debilitated. You guys know how powerful the sign Scorpio is and what Scorpio represents: sudden changes. Where is Pluto in the sky? On AMC, right on top of the ascendant, right on top of AMC's Venus. We knew things could happen sudden. We knew things could happen during major moon phase events like we had on the new moon Taurus and like we're about to have coming into Monday. So I'm going to make this quick and simple for you guys. If you're new here and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This is DD on AMC and the stock market. You're absolutely never going to get anywhere else. And guys, who knows? Guys, if there was a time where we could just squeeze, it's around the eclipse, okay? So this could be my very last AMC update video because you guys know I only drop them weekly. So go ahead and hit that like button if you are supporting this eclipse move. Go ahead and hit the like button if you guys are still holding AMC. And don't forget to check out the Market Moonlord Discord where I drop updates during the week. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going over AMC's moon phases, and we'll be going over the SPY moon phases to guess the overall market, to guess where the AMC is going, if we're going to get a full moon pop or a full moon drop. All right, so this video I'm going to make simple for you guys. We're going to make it all about the eclipse. Let's get started. Welcome to the Market Moonlord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. Shout out to all my Scorpios out there. We're about to hit the Scorpio eclipse Monday. Whoa. We're right here, guys. Shout out to all the Tauruses out there who just had that Taurus eclipse, new moon. It's a big time in the sky for everyone. We just had a Mercury retrograde. We just had that last quarter moon the day before everything started reversing, which we talked about in the last video. The SPY started reversing. Everything is looking like it wants to start reversing, okay? But is it going to actually reverse and actually continue reversing after this full moon? Are we going to get a big pop on this full moon eclipse on AMC? Well, let's check out the moon phases. Guys, at this point, I feel like everyone that's watching this video knows exactly what we're looking at. If you guys do not understand what's going on here, check out how to trade the moon phases video that I made on this channel. It's one of my first videos. But we're looking at AMC's moon phase chart, okay? And hopefully for the last time, for a long time anyway. But we'll see what's good. Anyway, does it look like we're reversing? Yes, it does. We talked about how the quarter moons, the last quarter moons usually can show reverses into the next phase, and it started to happen. We had a big increase of volume a couple of days after it. Volume, one of the first time we had any signs of any type of positive volume in a while, and it happened a few days before the full moon based on trading days. Okay, now typically we want to see the RSI start pointing up. We are seeing some positive movement on the MACD, okay? And we have been green 2 days in a row. We had 8%, and then the next day we had 5.4%, okay? Now, we did talk about this $10 level, okay? And we did hit it, okay? What I don't like about it is we started this new moon way over here, okay, at the $14 level, 14.66 to be exact. And that's kind of where I wanted to be coming into this full moon eclipse, to say we're going to get a big pop anyway to at least the $17, $20 ranges, right? But since we didn't do that, and we closed around the $11 mark, it looks like when we do get this pop, if we get the pop to the upside, it looks like the pop is probably going to take us around this $13 level, okay? Now, If it goes past that, and then the next level would obviously be where the $14 level is. And that's more realistic because that's where we started this new moon. Okay, so if we get a full moon pop on this eclipse, I'm going to say it's going to take us to about the $17 dollar level, $14.75 level. Okay, now if we get, this is an eclipse, so I would say if we get a pop and it's a strong pop, we're probably going to go past that, and the next level would be the $17 level. If somehow we get past that, then the next level is taking us to 30s, period. Okay, it's going to look like this, how we had over here, okay, on this full moon. Now, if we don't get those type of pops and we just get a small pop, which I am kind of thinking the pop would be more like a $15 level pop, I'm expecting this clip to continue riding us up, okay, into the next new moon. And it will look something like this, okay? If we go to the one from 70, okay, this was the anniversary eclipse, you can say, the one in last May. Literally, okay, we're falling a couple days before the eclipse. Doesn't that look kind of similar? We started having green days, okay? And look at the volume, guys. The volume was horrible then too, okay? And then started increasing. And then after the eclipse, it kept going up in the waning period. So it could be a setup like that I'm looking for on AMC, okay? So yeah, even if we don't get a crazy pop on the eclipse, if we get a pop to the upside and it signifies a reversal, we're going to continue popping throughout this phase coming into the new moon. And you guys know I'll keep you updated on that. So you know I've been giving you the bullish and bearish scenarios. We called out the $17 mark before everyone else was. We called out the $10 mark before everyone else was based on the moon phases. So I'm going to continue to give you guys the bearish scenarios just in case we get a full moon drop instead of a pop, okay? And I drew a new line, and basically that's going to put us at the $8, high $8 range, okay? That's where the low was on the previous phase over here. That's where the new low would be for us, okay? Now, we have been falling for multiple phases in a row, which is very rare. And it doesn't look like we're going to keep falling anymore, guys. And I always said, just on a psychological level, when we hit 10, it's going to attract all kinds of buyers. And I know I was buying at 10. I do think we're more likely to go to the upside. But that is the bearish scenario. But let's take a look at the SPY to get a better idea of where the overall market is going. And if you haven't hit the like button this far in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And guys, I don't know if I told you guys already, but if you guys share this video, the first 5 moon lords who share this video is going to get a free 10-minute recording about this Scorpio eclipse and how it affects them on a personal level. So don't forget to take advantage over that, because I love connecting with you guys and I love doing readings, okay? So take advantage over that. All right, let's check out the SPY. On the SPY, we literally have the same setup. Looking at the new moon, we were at the 408 level and we did pop, but then we dropped a few days later, okay? It didn't last, and we fell underneath where we started from. And then we fell underneath the last moon phase support. And then I said, if we go back above that support, then we are going to set up for some type of pop leading to the full moon. However, this pop is going to be taking us back to where we started the new moon, okay, which is that $408, $409 level, okay, which isn't bad. Now, if we get the extra eclipse with it, I won't be surprised if it pops us closer to where that new moon popped us, where that high was, which would be around that 430, okay? But it could just take some time for us to go into that. What we're looking for at this point is a reverse trend in the market going back to the upside, okay? Because this is an eclipse, and if it really reverses back to the upside, by the time that new moon hits, we could very well be back to that $460 level, and then that new moon could take us to new levels past that, okay? So that's what we're looking for. That is the most bullish scenario, okay? So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I want to just keep it simple of what I'm looking for coming into this eclipse. We have so much stuff happening into the sky. I don't want to make it too complicated. I'm kind of laser focused on what's going to happen coming into Monday, because to me, that's going to tell us what's going to happen for the rest of the moon phase, the direction anyway, the overall direction for the rest of the moon phase. Okay. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's absolutely amazing. I cannot believe it. Thank you guys for believing in me. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for diamond handing AMC with me. We couldn't do this without each other. Keep that in mind. So I'm Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching the Market Moon Lord, Warrior Merchandise with the Stars. Until next time, peace.
Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune.